Picture this. You've recorded a video, poured your heart into it, and uploaded it, hoping people would watch until the end. But what actually happens? After the first 30 seconds, your viewers start dropping off. No captions, no visuals, no movement, just you talking to a static camera. People get bored, they scroll away, and your message never lands. That's exactly where one of my clients was stuck. Every time they wanted to fix it, they had to hire freelancers. $50 a video, waiting 3 days, sending feedback, waiting again. By the time the final edit arrived, they had lost momentum, missed opportunities, and were drained of energy. That's when I introduced them to my automation. Instead of waiting for a human editor, the system instantly transforms any raw video into something people can't stop watching. It listens to the flow of the conversation, detects when attention is about to drop, and injects the perfect B-roll image or GIF to create a pattern interrupt. It automatically generates bold, professional captions that match the tone of the message. And all of this happens within minutes. No feedback loops, no delays, no paying per edit. The impact? Massive. Their videos went from looking like amateur recordings to polished marketing assets. Watch time increased dramatically. And with that came more engagement, more trust, and more conversions. Instead of spending days waiting for freelancers, they could record a video in the morning and have a polished, sales-ready version live by the afternoon. They saved money, they saved time, and most importantly, they saved momentum. When you can execute instantly, you win faster. Here's the truth. In today's fast-paced market, attention is money. If your videos don't hold attention, you're leaving sales on the table. And if you're still stuck paying freelancers and waiting days, you're slowing down your growth. That's why I created the pattern interrupt protocol, because every entrepreneur deserves Hollywood level editing without Hollywood prices. Now, imagine what it would look like if every single one of your videos kept people glued to the screen, made your brand look high end, and drove sales without you lifting a finger in editing. That's the difference between struggling to get noticed and building a brand people can't ignore. If you want that transformation, maybe it's time to let this automation work for you.